Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka arpo itrek kula lingkot arajar arpo, ki pat ba nong shong kila rakhe ya ka jinya linti ka basau pu prasnam ba ka jela Meghalaya kala yo ya la ka jong ka jela Bupura hadien bala phya na ka jela Assam haka arpo itrek kula lingkot kat kendai spa nyopu ar. Haka ni ka sngi kit na trikam per jong sarkar jela kila pelong ki program per ba kumjo hanong ba shlong na sakhi ni ka jing rakhe haka ba menteri rang ba ka jela ukandrat ke sangma ula play ya ka incubation hub ha Jawaharlal Nehru Complex kabadan ha polo ha ka por mestam bat ha ka por siteng sngipan menteri rangba ula lai punishmenta ha ka jing rakhe ya ka ni ka jingyo jila Bupura jong ka Meghalaya kabala long ha usoso tham auditorium kumukong san ha ka ba lai dan lang ru ki menteri sarkar ki officer ju kitna trekam per bat ki pajba.
Friends, achieving statehood is a moment as also a gift. It is a joyous occasion where we celebrate Meghalaya and its journey as a state through the years since its inception on 21st of January 1972. This August gathering celebrates and recalls with gratitude this hard-fought moment and gift, and in doing so, we look back at the selfless sacrifices of our forefathers in their pursuit to protect our sacred heritage, our land, our culture, our tradition, language, history, and legacy, our rights, duties, and responsibilities. The motto of Meghalaya's statehood movement was "No hill, state, no rest."
That yes, there have been many challenges. Yes, there have been many difficulties. Yes, there are many areas in which perhaps we look back and say that we could have done more. But we have come a long way. And I think it is only appropriate that at this point in time, when we celebrate the statehood of Meghalaya, I think we should look back and be proud and be happy, and we should thank God for this wonderful blessing that He has given us. I take this opportunity to remember and to thank all the people who have brought this state to where it is today. We should remember those sacrifices and those challenges that our seniors and our people who fought for the statehood faced. And I think today, we don't need the slogan of dying for the state. We should now have a slogan which should say, we should live for the state. We heard our Honorable Minister for IPR mention that we have a week-long celebration in different districts. There are two reasons why we're doing this. The first reason is that we felt Meghalaya Day is a celebration of Meghalaya, and Republic Day is a celebration of the Indian Republic. Isn't it beautiful that this whole week will celebrate Meghalaya and the Republic of India? Number two reason why we thought that we should have a week-long program is because we need to be reminded every year, in fact every day, we need to be reminded on how lucky we are. We take it for granted that we have a state. There are many people, there are many groups, communities who even till today fight for their identity and for the recognition. As people of the hills, we are lucky that the government of India at that point in time, our Prime Minister late Indira Gandhi, gave us the statehood. And I think there are times when we forget about it. I think there are times when we take it for granted. I think there are times, or there are moments, or there are individuals, I can tell you, who do not even know what happened and how we got the statehood. And when you don't know how we got it, what our forefathers went through, I don't think we will appreciate it. So we need to be reminded, continuously reminded, and made to feel and believe that yes, this is special. We have started collecting information, as you're aware, on the statehood, the fight for the statehood. We have a committee that has been formed that is preparing a coffee table book. The coffee table book is only the final culmination of the research, but a massive research will be done onto every documentation of how we got our statehood. As a government, we have been giving a lot of priority to ensure that there is efficiency in the system and the delivery mechanism to the grassroots level improves, so that overall the schemes that we implement must improve. There are a lot of challenges we face today in different sectors, be it the nutrition, be it the health sector, simply because of the sheer size that we have. Even the education sector, there are challenges, but a lot of programs are being made, a lot of schemes are being implemented to ensure that these challenges are met. There are a lot of opportunities that we have as a state. Whether you talk of tourism, whether you talk of agriculture, these are important areas where we'll be working very aggressively on. In the next 1 year, friends, there will be a number of programs and a large amount of investment through different programs about which I will be speaking on Republic Day. That will be done in the sector of tourism. We have also decided that agriculture, that this year, this financial year of 2020-2021 has been declared as the year of the farmer. So different programs will be done and different schemes will be taken up to ensure that we boost agriculture and we give all the benefit to the farmers. It is very significant because we decided that entrepreneurship must be given that importance, because we want our youngsters to be right in front and lead the entire economic growth of this great state of ours. Therefore, entrepreneurship is being given the importance. We have just inaugurated what we call the incubation hubs, and the first one was opened up in Shillong. It is in JN Stadium, and we'll be opening up these incubation hubs, which will act as facilitation centers, as meeting point where bankers, investors, ideas, entrepreneurs, and different stakeholders can meet and discuss about how to be an entrepreneur and how to take your ideas to reality. We have decided that from this year, from the next year, which is April 2020 to March 2021, the next financial year, we have decided that we'll be extending this award not only to entrepreneurs, but we'll also be giving this award to sportsmen and to musicians also. So there'll be a separate award which we are going to do from the Chief Minister's office to recognize the sports people and recognize the musicians also. I also would like to appeal, request, and also motivate all our employees in the government also. I was just speaking in the Entrepreneurship Summit, and I was telling the people who were present out there that from April, I'm also starting a challenge, which is a challenge to the employees and the entire staff, employees of the government of Meghalaya. So different departments, I know many people will want to do things, as I said, whether it's giving water supply to some village, or whether it's putting a roof on a school, or whether it's improving the sub-center somewhere, or whether it's a simple thing of providing employment in a particular village by putting different kinds of processing units, or helping a self-help group, or helping a mother who's having difficulty because of different facilities not being there in terms of birth and all different pregnancy as well as nutrition-related issues. So it could be any issue, and I would want the employees to come forward and be part of this change. The reason I'm doing this is not that I'm making you work more. First, don't think that. The reason is I feel that if we need to change and move forward, and if we want things to be really at a different level, there needs to be participation from all the levels. There needs to be a different kind of motivation in your heart. You cannot be simply doing a desk job. It will not work. I keep telling all our employees all the time, always keep the purpose in mind. Don't think that you're here to sanction schemes. Sanctioning schemes is part of the program. You are here to change lives. You are here to help the mothers. You are here to help the farmers. You are here to help the youth. Signing a file, giving a scheme is just the process. But the purpose is different. And if you're clear in your heart about your purpose, I'll tell you, your entire mindset will change.
District Kumar Armara, LDA Planning Department. Shri Wanbok Upasong Pion, Secretariat Administration. Shri Santa Bahadur Apa Pion, Office of the Assistant, and Shri Sikren Nongrang,